You are watching Ulya Stuzuk, an artist from Kiev in the Ukraine. Ulya composes digital portraits on an iPad using the Procreate program. Through a combination of her talents, this program, and specialized brushes, she's able to create lifelike portraits. Watching the step-by-step process in her videos is simply mind-blowing. Starting with roughly pixelated images, and then with each brushstroke, the image becomes more and more lifelike. She uses specialized brushes for each particular phase and feature, from the hair to the shadowing of the nose. The artist can spend over 20 hours on just one portrait, depending on the detail required. Whether painting a portrait of a famous person or a privately commissioned one, her attention to detail is unsurpassed. It looks clear enough to be a photograph, but she instills emotion and soul into every one of her portraits. The finished results are simply stunning. This young artist is unbelievably talented, and she makes it look so easy. You can see more of her amazing artwork on her Instagram page, where she has over 400,000 followers. She gives some tutorials on YouTube, but to see all of her tutorials, you can go to her Patreon page. And if you're interested in what brushes she prefers and wish to buy some, you can pick them up in her Etsy store and on Gumroad.com. So what did you think of Ulya's lifelike digital portraits? Let us know in the comments down below.